Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to overlay two images in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show overlay two images. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now select from picture option. Now you can see. Now select from picture. Now select from multiple to picture. Now click for insert menu option, then click. Now move from picture. Now resize the picture. Now select from first picture. Now go to the format menu option, then click. Now click for picture effect option, then select from glow option. Now select from glow. Now you can see select from others picture option. Now click for format menu option, then click for picture effect option, then click for glow. Now select from ascend glow. Now you can see now overlay picture. Now select from to picture. Now go to the format home menu option, then click. Now select from align option. Now click for align top. Now select from group option. That is. Now you can see overlay two images in publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.